What's up, truck lovers? Today, we're diving into a true classic, this mint-colored 1994 Dodge Ram 1500. Yeah, you heard it right. This is the truck that changed the game back in the 90s, and here we are in 2025, still talking about it. Stick around because we're going through everything: looks, feel, power, and what it costs to own one today. Alright, let's start with the outside. First thing that hits you. That mint green paint job, clean, fresh, and straight out of a retro dream. It's not a color you see every day, especially on a truck. The body lines are bold, squared off, and unapologetically tough. The front grille. Iconic. Dodge really went for that big rig look in '94 and it still holds up. Classic chrome bumpers, wide stance, and that Ram emblem front and center, it's pure Americana on wheels. You've got the extended cab on this one, sitting on original 15-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. Everything about it screams old school cool. Hop inside and you're stepping into a time capsule. Bench seating up front, wrapped in that plush velour fabric, super comfy and totally vintage. The dashboard is simple but solid, with those big analog gauges and chunky control knobs. No giant touchscreen here, just AM/FM radio and a cassette player that still works if you're lucky. The steering wheel is big, the feel is classic, and it gives you that real connection to the road. It's not flashy, but it's functional, and it gives you all the nostalgic vibes you could ask for. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. This one's packing the 5.2-liter V8 Magnum engine, putting out around 230 horsepower and 300 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, it's got more than enough grunt for hauling, towing, or just cruising around with attitude. Don't expect lightning speed, but the low-end torque. It's all there. Suspension is old school, solid axle, leaf springs, but it handles well for a truck this age. Plus, the sound of that V8 rumble. Music to any gearhead's ears. So what's it gonna cost you in 2025? Well, these trucks are becoming collectibles, especially in mint condition like this one. You can find beat-up ones for as low as $5,000, but a clean, low-mileage example like this? You're looking at anywhere between $15,000 to $25,000, maybe more if it's fully restored. And with the classic truck market on the rise, prices are only going one way, up. So, is the 1994 Dodge Ram 1500 still worth it in 2025? If you're into classic trucks with real character, absolutely. It's a bold, nostalgic ride that turns heads and keeps it real. Whether you're restoring one, buying one, or just admiring from afar, the '94 Ram is a legend that's aged like fine wine, especially in this mint green. Hit that like button if you're vibing with this truck, drop a comment if you've owned or still drive one, and don't forget to subscribe for more vintage rides and honest reviews. Catch you in the next one.